Somewhere under this rubble is a McCormick Deering tractor and a variety of tractor parts. The team needs to clear out this shed so they can catalog the items for the auction. It's been decades since this building has been packed full, and over the years, everything from lumber to old tires has accumulated.
Is there parts buried under there, or?
Yeah, there's parts buried underneath here. Top radiator tank. There's something yellow. Flat top fenders. Gold, baby, it's all gold. Old reflector. 2 of them.
Get out of there, something there. Pipe out of the way. Fingers? Yep.
Right there on my side. You want help going out?
Let me see. No.
Right there.
Yes.
I figured it out because it says cat 30.
That's probably why.
Yeah, so I was
you
hoping
figured
I
it.
nailed that one.
You got that one, did.
I'm
Dead
getting
on.
good. Yeah, we've done this on the wall and it was perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
A little more air and Brian pushing, this thing comes straight out of here. I'll sit on it and steer, do my part.
I'm gonna pull it over all this crap and it's gonna get a tire. Yeah, get a flat tire. You want like 80 pounds in here?
No, just some.
Is this tire full enough?
What do you think, Rick?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, I think you're good.
Okay, pull.
Yep.
She wants to roll already.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a start. Put some gas in it.
Do we have a hose glove?
Expected the tire to blow. We didn't expect the hose to blow.
Hose blow hole?
Yeah, yes.
Ready to go.
We think we might be able to roll it now. We've aired the tires up and get it around the corner.
Well, let me come in here with the forklift and I don't know what I'll be able to do, but I'm sure as hell gonna try.
This is a McCormick Deering W12. They were built by International Harvester from 1932 to 1938 with a total production of 3,633. This tractor is the standard tread version of the Farmall F12. Harvester, along with many tractor manufacturers, made several variations of the same model. In this case, the F12, a row crop version, the W12, a wide front version, the I12, an industrial version, and the O12, an orchard version. The tractor is out, but there's still more that needs to be moved. and there's still several other buildings on the property that need to be cleaned out. When we come back,